and girls, we have stations today. They are physical science review stations. We've been talking about physical science this week because the STAR test is next Wednesday. So, anyway, we are going to be doing physical science review. And these are very much like, oh, y'all weren't in here for the stations the last 2 days. I had to change my stuff for the last 2 days of Blitz because I hate Blitz. Station 1, we're going to be talking about circuits. Tell me what a circuit is, like a complete circuit, Chrislyn.
A complete circuit is where the light bulb is connected to the battery.
Right, well there's a complete circuit where the wires and everything is closed and completely connected to the circuit, the battery, right?
Mm-hmm.
An incomplete circuit is what, Mac?
It's like this light bulb and there's batteries, but there's not closed.
They're not closed or they're not touching, right? So station 1 is reviewing circuits. And what you're going to do, it says to get the circuit, fill in the blank sheet out of the baggie. So right here, this is your circuit, fill in the blank sheet, okay? You're going to do this, and you're going to turn it in. This is for a grade. Remember last week how we did these 2 half sheets and we turned them in for a grade?
Yes.
Same thing this week. So you get the sheet, you do the fill in the blank, you write your name. Say that with me.
Write your name.
Write your name on it and put it in the top drawer. Remember how we made 2 nice stacks in the top drawer, one on this side, one on this side, and they were all facing the right direction? Do that for me again, okay? So here's a fill in the blank sheet. Do it, write your name, put it in the first period drawer, all right? Next, it says get the cut and paste half sheet out of the baggie. And it's not a half sheet in a baggie, it is this, but I had already typed it up and printed it. So right here is your cut and paste. You are going to make a T-chart in your notebook of the next blank page of your notebook, and you're going to label one side closed and one side open. You're going to cut out the pictures and glue them in the correct spot, either whether it's an open circuit or a closed circuit. What is this one right here?
Closed.
Or
Open.
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 Because they're not connected right here, right? What is this? Closed, and that's a parallel circuit. We talked a little bit about that a while ago. So cut these out, glue them in the right spot in your notebook. When you're done, don't forget to add this into your table of contents, and you can just put circuit station, okay? If you happen to finish both of these, you can either add detail to pictures in your notebook, or you can color the pictures on the cut and paste. The champs rules of here are quiet voices. If you need help, ask 3 before me. It's a circuit review game. Movement is none. There should be no movement, and only maybe to put your trash in the trash can, but that's it. No movement. Everyone will participate, and we will have success. Are there any questions on the circuit station, station 1? Yes, ma'am.
We can get up to put it in there, right?
Yes, yes. When I say no movement, y'all know what that means. Don't get up and go visit your friend at another station, and don't just wander around the ring. Are there any questions on station 1? These 2 will be station 1, and remember when you rotate, you skip a station. You remember how we do that? Okay. Station 2 is very much like this, but we're reviewing reflection and refraction. Someone tell me what reflection is. What is reflection, Catherine?
The light bounces off of an object.
When light bounces off of an object. What is refraction, Cadence?
When the light looks like it's bending.
Bending. It's like the bending or breaking of the light. So, you are going to first get the reflection and refraction, fill in the blank sheet out of the baggie, same thing as the other one. Fill it in independently. This is a grade, so it's not a group project. What do you do next?
Write your name.
Write your name. Write your name. I don't want to have to take off 10 points, y'all, because there's not many questions on here. Okay? Write your name, put it in the drawer. When you're done with that, get the cut and paste half sheet, which is here. Make a T-chart in the next blank page of your notebook. Label one side reflection, one side refraction. Cut the pictures out, glue them in the right spot. When you're done, again, you can either color the pictures or you can add detail to stuff in your notebook. Or if there's something in your Blitz folder maybe that you didn't get to finish from this week or last week in the Blitz, you can do that. As long as you're staying in your station and you're working quietly. Any questions on this station? All right. Station 3 is a new game I just made. In fact, I have several more to make back here. It's called Kaboom, and it is a vocabulary review game over physical science. So you will read the directions on the card right here in the baggie. The answer key is here if you need it. Here is this will be one station and this will be another one. Like I said, just read the directions. They're very self-explanatory. When you finish playing one Kaboom game, put them back in here and play again, okay? Champs for this stations are quiet voices also. I know you have to talk when you're playing a game, but you have to be quiet, okay? You have to use quiet voices. If you need help, ask 3 before me and then read the directions. It's a vocabulary review game. The movement is none, so stay in your seat. Everyone will participate for success. Yes, ma'am.
Is it a group game or is it just two?
A group game? Yeah, all 4 of you will be playing. Yeah, all 4. The whole table will be playing the games. And, like I said, you can start off using quiet voices. But if you get loud, you have study island questions. And I've got all different kinds of topics that you can do. So, I don't want you to have to do this. But if you cannot, and it's not the whole group, it's just you. So if, Faith is being so loud like she always is all the time and she just won't mind, then I would just give her this packet and say, Faith, be quiet. Okay? It's not the whole group, it's just one person. Do you understand?
Yes.
Any questions? We good?
Yes.
All right, I will pass these out and you may begin. Yes. Take the Kaboom game. Push the red button.